Okay, for those of you that have purchased a skyVac Atom, as you know, it comes as standard with a floor toolkit. So what I'd like to do is to show you how to assemble the floor toolkit. Now, this flexi hose here is what comes with it as standard. It's got a soft cuff here. Now, this soft cuff is what you use for putting your carbon fibre suction poles into for your gutter cleaning. But if you want to use a floor toolkit, you need to remove this soft cuff and you need to fit the hard cuff. Now, that screws onto here anti-clockwise. It takes quite a little bit of screwing before it gets tight. Then you get the handle on here, which the thicker end fits over the top there, like that. Then the thicker end here fits over the top of that. And then the thicker end here fits over the top like that. Then you've got your heads. Now, that head there is for hard floors. That head there is for your carpet. And then this head here is for your standing water, which then simply fits over the top. Then you've got your other cuff, which fits into your suction pole on your Atom. And then you're good and you're ready to go. You can then start vacuuming up the floor.